I have two new accessories for my DJI Action 5 Pro. Baliktad. Two new accessories. And if you want to start creating or enhancing your vlogs, then I recommend these two from Telesit. So the first one is this suction cup bracket. This is how it looks like. Pwede siya for phone, but you can remove that. Pwede rin siya for cameras. Also remove this, parang ang nakakabit dito is your action camera. So I wanted this accessory kasi gusto ko siyang ilagay parang sa car or sa windows or sa mirror. And I also have this cage for my camera na meron na siya nitong. So I can just put it here at the top. That. And then pwede ko na siyang i-mount somewhere. Pero parang feeling ko hindi siya pwede dito sa wall eh. Yeah, hindi niya kaya yung dito sa wall. Pero na-try ko na kasi ito sa mirror tsaka sa window and okay naman siya. The next accessory is this super clamp. And this is how it looks like. Medyo magulo lang siya right now. This is what it looks like. So, literal na pwede mo siyang i-clip anywhere. Medyo wide yung kaya niya. Like this. Hindi ko maisip kung saan ko siya pwede i-clip. Pero ganito yung magiging itsura niya once it's on. And then your camera will go here. Let me know if I should make a tutorial on these accessories.